Introducing a breakthrough in aesthetic laser therapy. The IsoLase system from Asthera is the only clinically proven aesthetic device that clears acne within 24 to 48 hours. Powered by photopneumatic technology, IsoLase is painless acne therapy that provides immediate results along with offering the broadest FDA clearance of any laser or light-based system in the world. The multi-application IsoLase platform also painlessly rejuvenates skin and removes hair, all with deep pore purification. Harnessing the power of photopneumatic energy, this proprietary technology combines vacuum and broadband light for treatments that are more efficient and faster than traditional laser or light-based treatments. The only system that clears the pores from the dermis outward. IsoLase Photopneumatics changes the optics of the skin, resulting in the precise delivery of highly effective energy, helping prevent collateral damage to the surrounding normal tissue. Highly customizable treatment settings on this state-of-the-art IsoLase platform provide complete control over treatment parameters to help maximize effective outcomes.
One of the exciting things about photopneumatic therapy is that it works for a bunch of different things in skin. We like it especially for treating acne, for cleansing the skin, reducing acne, number of spots, and decreasing breakouts. But we also use it very effectively for hair removal, and we also use it for decreasing redness and the brown spots caused by sun exposure. So we really use it for three things: acne, hair removal or reduction, and what we call photorejuvenation, which improves skin texture, tone, and especially color.
The treatment is very convenient because for the first time they can come in, it takes about 5 to 7 minutes where you get this amazing pore cleansing. It's pain-free, and most important, they can resume all their activities because there's no downtime. They can wear makeup, they can go back to work, they can exercise and resume a normal, healthy, balanced life.
The fantastic thing about the IsoLase product is that the result goes beyond the acne portion. Your skin feels tighter when you leave the offices. The skin color, the pigmentation is evened out, your pores are reduced, you have a smooth complexion that you probably hadn't felt for years prior to this procedure. It's fantastic.
It was almost immediate that I saw the improvements in my skin and pores after using the IsoLase system. It was immediate.
With the IsoLase, I saw an immediate difference in my skin. From the time I walked out of the office, got into my car and pulled down the mirror and took a quick look, the result was immediate. Things that were raised, bumps that were raised, or acne that was there was now gone. There were no red marks, there were no burns, there were no any indication that I had just gone through a procedure that was taking care and curing my acne.
Here we're literally physically cleaning out these pores right in front of your eyes. You actually see it happening.
With this device, we've actually seen improvement in as little as 24 hours.
This does a big area in a few seconds. So you can cover the whole face in a matter of minutes and see the almost instantaneous improvement, and then add in your other therapies.
We can offer the photopneumatic therapy as a way to jumpstart the whole treatment program and for patients to get immediate positive feedback within a few days.
Pain is a big factor for our patients that are coming for laser or light-based therapies. This is one of the things they fear the most, and the fact that photopneumatic therapy is painless is a huge benefit.
There are no side effects. You're not putting anything on the skin except water and the device. You're not putting anything in the patient's mouth, so there's no potential risk of irritation from benzoyl peroxide or retinoic acid, and there's no potential side effects from antibiotics. They like the fact that it's painless. They like the fact that they see the improvement while they're in the office. And then a day later, we get calls from patients saying, well, these spots look better right away. They never do that when you prescribe tetracycline.
The Asthera photopneumatic system is really dramatically changing my patients' lives by dramatically changing their appearance.
They're clearer for longer. Some of them need less of their topical medications. Some can stop their pills. So it's really changed the lives of these individuals.
I've really become a big believer in photopneumatic therapy, not only because of my comfort level with the technology, but because my patients really benefit from each and every treatment.
Asthera photopneumatic therapy is really helping to make a difference in the lives of patients.
The IsoLase from Asthera painlessly treats acne, rejuvenates skin, and removes hair, all with one revolutionary platform.